Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to export gravity forms entries in WordPress website. So here you can see this is a WordPress website. Now let me go here and make sure that you have installed gravity forms plugin. You can go here in plugin sections and you need to upload the plugin premium file. So simply you can go and click on upload plugin, then you can easily upload the plugin file here, then install and activate that plugin. After that, here you can go back, scroll up, and you will find out this one, forms. So on this page here we can see all of the forms here. So these are the number of entries for each form. Okay, so for example, I want to export one of the form entries from here. On the left side here you can see entries, then scroll down. Okay, after that here you can find out this one, import export, then scroll down, and here you can easily export forms. Also you can import the forms as well as you can export the entries. Now you can select one of the form. For example, let me select this one, and then here you can see these are the form fields. So you can select any of the field that you want to export, for example name, email, whatever. You can also select this button, select all, then it will add all of these fields that are available in the form. After that you can also add a custom date, then simply click here, download export file. Okay, of the form detail is here.